Guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the buttons using Bootstrap. See, here you can see it, the different type of buttons with hover effect with different colors. Here the primary color like blue and secondary color success means green, danger means red and warning is yellow and info is sky color. Here the deep and light means a light color. See when I hover a beautiful background color changing hovering effect is shown. So here is the dark color. So to make this beautiful button using Bootstrap, I am going for a VS Code. Here I have written my title Bootstrap button, and here I have linked my CSS file. Before in my before videos I have shown you how to link CSS and JS file, and here the JavaScript file. So I will copy this code and I will paste it in my VS Code. See when I paste it and I will go for result. See in result it is showing the different buttons with different color and hovering effect. It is so easy guys. So you can try your different, you can write different names here like click me, you can write different words and see when I save it. Here is the click me. You can change the text, you can change the color also. I'll change this is the primary color. You can see here the primary color. Then I will change it to success. See it become green. So like that you can change the color text using Bootstrap, and you can make different types of buttons. And when you will scroll down, you will see a different type of button. See reset button, link, input, whatever text you want to write, you can write. See when I hover, it will change the background color. See you can see here. You can scroll down. You can see the different type of buttons is shown here. See, see, and the bottom is the link of the, and down here given the code also you can copy it. I can use in your code. So the very easy method to make button using Bootstrap. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, we'll meet in next video.